Hello, my topic of discussion that I chose was the HIPAA security rule. My name is Brenda Solomon, and I will be talking about the security rule. HIPAA security rule requires covered entities to establish safeguards to protect personal health information. The security rules specifies how to secure such protected health information on computer networks, the internet, and cloud storage and storage disks such as CDs. Covered entities is your doctor's offices, hospitals, anybody who uses personal health, who uses. As I was saying, the security rule specifies how to secure uh, patient medical records, information that's on the computer, that's used on through the internet or storage disk or CDs. Um, I chose the HIPAA security rule because I've worked in the past with patient medical records, and I know how important it is to protect um, patient medical records. Um, and a topic that I'm also going to talk about that is involved with the HIPAA security rule is encryption. Encryption is a must. Without encryption, you shouldn't be able to send patients' medical records across the internet because there's always the fear of records getting breached, patients' information is being leaked out. So encryption is a must. Practice management is also a software program that most practices use that is encrypted. That when patient files are sent from within the office or to other offices or to hospitals or wherever they may go, they have to be encrypted in order to not be breached. Um, control access. Let's did that wrong. Control access control is when only limited people are given passwords who are on need only a need to know only basis. Say if the receptionist has a password that only accesses patient files for general information like their name, address, uh, the account, so they can pay on their account, or um, just very basic knowledge. She doesn't have access to the patient's medical history. Um, uh, log files. Um, practice practice management programs keep a log of who logs in with what password. So if something is breached or something goes wrong, they know who the last person was who logged into an account or wherever they logged in. Um, next is a secure internet connection. Um, you have to have a very strong internet connection. Also needs to be encrypted. Uh, Another security measure is I've talked about the files being the practice management program being able to uh, track who's logging in and logging out. Again, secure internet connections. Another security measure is backing up copies of um, all the information, whether you back it up on CDs or another hard drive, just in case there's damage, just in case there's a storm, and so you have all the data that you previously had. Secure policies to handle violations that occur. There are should be policies in place just in case there are violations that occur. What are we going to do if somebody's information was breached? How do we go about notifying authorities that there's been a breach? That um, security policy. Employees need to know how to keep uh, patients' information secure. Um, that should be in handbooks. That should be written in when you log on your computer, or something that's everyday knowledge to keep it in the minds of the employees that they have to, at all costs, protect patients' medical information. This topic is important to me because security and safety is very important um, when it comes to protecting medical records of patients. Um, Not only does it protect the patient's identity, but it also protects the healthcare provider, um, the practice from legal repercussions. How can how can my topic benefit the company and and the company I work for in the future? My topic is very beneficial because all companies need to keep security and safety as top priority within their business. Not only does security and safety need to be listed in handbooks, but there also need to be other ways of assuring that the employees are adhering to all protocol, like not sharing passwords, backing up data with copies other than on other medium, just in case there is damage to original copies, and it must be encrypted. When it comes to security and safety, not only is it important, but is enforced by HIPAA law. And that's my topic. Thank you.